The compact line of Revo Block vacuum units is particularly adapted for professional applications because it offers professional performance, no time limits of running, with multiple users and surfaces up to 2,000 square meters where required. Impressive vacuum power. Professional motors made with maintenance-free aluminium alloy. Customized maintenance and consumption management to optimize consumption. Maintenance control board with an easy-to-use touch screen for complete control of the vacuum unit. Possible connection to the piping from the right or from the left side, independently of each other. Metal cylindrical frame and high-capacity dustbin with wheels, easy to move. High-efficiency filter cartridge in water-washable polyester. Designed for the installation of the automatic cleaning system that works with a reversed compressed air spray that crosses the filter. Optional remote control with Ethernet wire.